Hey, I'm Joe with Integrity Home Exteriors. A 30-year roof around here can fail in 15 to 20, and usually weather takes the blame. But what actually kills most roofs isn't what's on top of the shingles, it's what's underneath them, in your attic. Here's the summer version. A poorly ventilated attic in July runs 140 to 150 degrees, and that heat cooks your shingles from underneath. They curl, they shed granules, they can get brittle years ahead of schedule. And ventilation bad enough can even void the manufacturer's warranty. The winter version is sneakier. Heat leaking out of the house melts the snow on your roof. That water runs down to the cold edge, refreezes, and then builds an ice dam. The next melt backs up underneath the shingles. That's the brown stains on the ceiling by the outside wall, the wet insulation, and the mold in the eaves. And those big icicles every winter aren't the house looking festive, that's your heat escaping. You can spot this without a ladder. Ice building up at the eaves every winter, ceiling stains near the outside walls that show up late into the winter, an upstairs that bakes all summer no matter what the thermostat says, shingles curling while the roof's still young. Any one of these says your attic is actually working against you. The fix usually isn't a new roof, it's balance. Insulation to keep your heat in your house, and ventilation to move the air through the attic, in the soffits, and on the ridge. Get these two working together and the same shingles last years longer. If your house grows icicles every winter or the upstairs cooks every summer, call us for a free inspection. We'll tell you whether it's the shingles, the ventilation, or the insulation and exactly what it takes to fix it. Integrity Home Exteriors. Let's build better.